Hi guys, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope you're all doing great. Hello Kirito, welcome. Albert Einstein, welcome man. So can you all hear me and see me? Are you all excited for today's session? Can I see some thumbs up in the chat? Very good evening Kirito, welcome. Nice to see you. So guys, today we are going to look at a JEE Sprint session and the topic is probability, and it is going to be an amazing one because I will cover all aspects of probability. I'm going to pick questions which cover the entire chapter in detail. So please do attend this full session carefully. Please make notes as well. Okay, so that is my request. Hello Kesav and welcome man. Exactly Kirito, it is going to be epic for sure because that helps you cover this chapter. It is almost like in one shot wherein you study the entire probability chapter. Yes, Albert Einstein, 20 mock tests should be fine. And I'm doing great man, thank you for asking. Hello Shreya, welcome Shreya. Nice to have you here. Let us wait for your friends to join and then we will get started. Till then, we will have a look at the schedule. But before that, let me introduce myself to all my lovely ninjas, the new ones who are here right now. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph. I teach math at Vedantu, and to talk about my background, I did my BTech from IIT a few years back, and when I was like you guys, I was also very much involved in preparation. I wrote KVPY, I wrote JEE Mains, I wrote JEE Advanced, NTSC and so on, and I cleared all of them. Now I'm here to help you make that dream come true. Okay, so if you want to be a part of this wonderful experience with this channel, with me, then you can be there at Instagram. You can follow me over there because I do help a lot of my students. I message them personally and I get their doubts clarified. Okay, so you can definitely check this out, and the same is my Telegram ID. So my Instagram ID and my Telegram ID are the same. So if you want to reach out to me, you can do it from here. Got it? Hello Uncharted, welcome man. After a long time. Hello Anisha. Yes Anisha, I saw your comment and you got it all correct. I see you are preparing hard for KVPY. That's great Anisha, keep it up. Yes Albert Einstein, I saw one of your answers, but the last one I didn't check because the last session was KVPY SA. I think you didn't answer there. How many mock tests should be given? So ideally you should give something called as part test Ayman, and once you are comfortable with part test, you have to move to a full test. Full test you have to give when you feel you are ready for a full paper. You cannot simply give a full test because please understand, good institutes like Vedantu, they spend a lot of time and energy in creating a good full test for you. So you can't write it with a very casual attitude. Got it? So when you are giving a full test, you need to take it sincerely. So I would recommend completing syllabus first, at least 60-70%, and then trying out a full test. And I'm going to talk to you in detail about it. So from now on, every session I'm going to give you some strategy, some hints, some advices on what to do in the last few days. So please do attend these sessions with a lot of interest, enthusiasm, and all your ears wide open. Got it? Yes. Hello Shreya, welcome. Hello Crispin, welcome man. Very nice to see you. Hi Nikita, very nice to see you as well. Great. So let's begin guys. So the weekly schedule is out because this is a new week. We are into a new session. And as you guys can see, JEE Mains previous years, JEE Mains previous years, JEE Mains previous years, JEE Mains previous years. So the entire week is loaded with JEE Mains previous years questions. I hope all of you are excited for that. How many of you are excited because of this? I know you're all preparing very hard and you want some assistance from teachers, and this is something which we are going to give you as a big surprise. Okay. So apart from this, we have the marathon, which is also called as the one-shot revision, and I have picked the chapter straight lines. Why straight lines? Because straight lines is a very important topic Very, very important topic because it can help you crack questions from other parts of conic section as well. Got it? So that is why I've chosen marathon as straight lines. Please mark your calendar, be there on Thursday. And apart from that, KVPY sessions, mentee quizzes, we will plan it. But as I said, mentee might take some while. It will take a while for me to come up with a mentee session. But KVPY sessions, I will try to do them. Maybe at the night. Got it? But this is the pakka schedule. This is the schedule which will not be broken. Because I don't want your 12th standard students to miss out on anything. Because like I promised, Vedantu will take responsibility for you guys and we will drive you to your goal. Got it? Hello, Huashri, welcome. So with that, let's get started. The mentee sessions are postponed for a while, Uncharted. I will try to bring it up, but like I said, there is a problem of time, man. Because we are doing marathon, we are doing these normal sessions, so it is very difficult for us to find time. So that is the only reason. But don't worry, we will keep this in mind because I know you have been asking for a long time. But for now, your 12th standard ninjas are very crucial phase of their life. So I want to support them. So that is why we have planned the marathon session. Today we have Wasim Sir taking a marathon. I hope you guys are aware of it. So today, Uncharted, Wasim Sir has a mentee quiz at 5:30 and at night he has a marathon. Yes, Albert Einstein. And then Thursday I will take one. Friday Shreyas Sir will take as usual. Got it? Marathon means we will not do more than 2.5 to 3 hours. Okay? I think 2.5 to 3 hours is fine. So now coming to the most important discussion. How many of you know about the crash course at Vedantu? I've been telling you guys about the importance of crash course. Guys, at the last lap of your preparation, at the final stages of your preparation, a crash course can boost you like anything. Why? What are the reasons that a crash course can help you? First thing is, we have 45 live sessions which cover the important topics in detail. So we have chosen from our experience of producing All India Rank 41, All India Rank 38, All India Rank 7. So we have our master mentors. We have AP Sir, Pulkit Sir, some amazing teachers who designed these 45 live lectures which cover only the important topics. So even if you feel, Sir, I am starting now, I am just at the start of my preparation, can I crack JEE Mains? Yes, you guys also can, because these 45 live lectures are designed to help you score 50%, 60% very, very easily. So I can guarantee that you guys will see a marked improvement in your performance when you attend these crash courses. And trust me, that is coming from people who are part of this channel who are now currently in the crash course. Many of my students who are in this channel have gone into the crash course and they're all having a great time. So in case you feel it is going to help you, then check it out. But please understand, whenever you get something, you need to learn what are all the various features they are offering. So we have the doubt solving. So let us say you are solving a question and you get stuck at some point. So you can just take a photo of that question and you can send it to the doubts app. Vedantu's doubts app will solve your doubt for free, because at this point of time, you may not be able to contact your teacher. You might be solving at 1 o'clock and then you can't call your teacher, right, in the afternoon. So you have to get your doubts clarified. What do? You use the doubts app, because your doubts will be solved within minutes, and that is a promise from the Vedantu's team. I'm sure you guys will benefit from that. And everybody were asking, how many mock tests should I give? How many full tests should I give? Guys, as you can see here, Vedantu has designed. Anand Sir, who has mentored many toppers. Pulkit Sir, who has also mentored many toppers, who has an amazing skill in geometry. he and Anand sir and a set of master teachers from Vedantu have designed these beautiful full tests which are typically NTA pattern. And I'm sure you know what is NTA. NTA is the National Testing Agency which conducts the exam. So these 10 full tests and 10 part tests are exactly the same pattern, the same interface. So when you go to the exam center, you might be looking at a computer and you might be thinking how to solve it and what is the new interface. Interface means how the screen looks like. Everything you guys have to experience before, na? Only then you will be comfortable. So that interface is replicated over here. Like I said, Vedantu's exam taking portal is amazing and you guys have to be a part of it to understand how it works. And if you guys stay till the end, I will talk about how the regular classes in Vedantu look like. I have shown it in my previous video. I will do that in this video as well. So all of this is available for a price of 8,000 rupees. And if you use the coupon code SJCC, it comes to 8,000. Otherwise, you'll have to pay 10,000. Got it? So guys, if you're interested, just click on the link over there. Go to the course link. Say you want to enroll now. Apply this coupon code. This is very important because if you do not use this coupon code, you will not get that 20% off. Okay? So that is also fine. Yeah? So if you guys are interested, then go for it. I will leave the coupon code in the chat as well so that you can do it anytime you want. Now, let me answer all your doubts. So we have NTA will conduct JEE Mains and IIT Kharagpur will conduct JEE Advanced. Yes, Achyut, absolutely right. Hello Sachin, welcome man. But no live teaching. Uncharted, are you in 11th or 12th? I keep getting confused. Are you in 11th or 12th? If you are in 12th, then you can go for a crash course like this because that will help you a lot. If you are in 11th, then you should look for teaching as well as a good test series. Okay, so I would put teaching more than test series in 11th Uncharted because you're supposed to learn more in 11th. Okay, so go for a teaching course. Maybe you can check it out in the pro subscription, or if you have any offline opening out, if you are comfortable with that, if you want only offline, then you can check out something because teaching is what I value more than, you know, writing a test series in 11th standard. Got it? So I hope you understood it. The pro subscription comes with a lot of benefit. You have KVPY courses, micro courses, everything in Vedantu is basically for free if you take the pro subscription. So you can check it out because there are various teachers. Someone might inspire you, someone might really drive you to study. So you can think about it and do it. Got it? So guys, I hope the crash course is clear to everybody. How many of you are excited about the crash course? Did you all like and love the features which are offered by Vedantu? Isn't it amazing? Exactly, Shakti. Great. Hi, Ragunesh. Yes, welcome, man. Kirito is very excited. So guys, do check it out when you have time. Let's move forward. So if you are new to this channel, give us a subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like the video, do give us a like when you find time. Okay, so shall we begin? Yes. Are you all ready to make some notes? Because we are going to discuss only the previous year's questions now. Okay. We are going to discuss only the previous year's questions now. So please make a note of whatever new thing you learn. And if you have any doubt, put it down in the chat. I will get back to you. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So this is the first question. Everybody please do it. And once you are done, I will try to help you. How many mock tests should I take for KVPY? Mock tests, you should not take many, man. Albert Einstein. You should take a few and make it very effective. That is the right way of doing it. Okay. So I would say for KVPY SX, you can take around 3 from now. 3 from now is good. Yes, Shakti, your chat is visible very much. So everybody try to solve this, and can you all see the big 2020 over here? Nobody will forget 2020 ever in your life, I hope. Yeah, I won't forget it, man. So this is a JEE 2020 question. It is just from last year, a very recent year question. I picked it up because I wanted to show you JEE questions are not difficult. It is doable. You can try it. So please have an open mind. Let's all try to crack it with great enthusiasm. Okay. See, Pakka sir, Anisha says, yes, let's check whether others have got it. Because guys, the answer is option C. Anisha is correct. Very good, Anisha. What about Albert Einstein says A? Let's check it. Bayes theorem. Okay. That's correct, that's correct. I agree it's Bayes theorem. But how do you crack it? That is what I'm interested in. Yes, Albert Einstein. It is of course very simple. I'll show you some questions on Bernoulli's trials as well. I have brought all varieties so that you guys can solve anything and everything which comes in your exam. Okay. Hello, Mr. Best. Crispin Xavier, you are absolutely right. So guys, this is based on your Bayes theorem. So I'm going to explain to you how it works. Please listen carefully. So first of all, box 1 contains 30 cards. So let's say box 1 contains 30 cards and box 2 contains 20 cards. How many primes are there between 1 to 30? Can you guys count it and tell me? Let's see how many of you have knowledge of prime numbers. Let's see how many of you are doing that correctly. Which one, Uncharted? Mr. Best. It is given in the question now. Box 1 has 30 cards from 1 to 30. So how many primes are there in the top 30 natural numbers? Is it 11? Are you sure, Kirito? Because it is 10. Please check it. You made a mistake, I think. So there are 10 primes. And in the 20 from 31 to 50. So B2 has 20 numbers from 31 to 50. And in that, how many prime will be there? Can you all tell me? Can you all tell me how many primes will be there from 31 to 50? From 31 to 50, there will be 5 primes. Are you all clear? But what are they saying? The number on the card is found to be a non-prime number. So how many non-prime I have? I have 30 minus 10, which is 20 non-prime. And here I have 20 minus 5, which is 15 non-prime. Did you all get that? Did you all get that? I have 20 non-prime and I have 15 non-prime over here. Is that clear? Are you all clear with it, guys? Yup. Yes, everybody? 35 is not a prime, of course. Shakti, you have left 13. You have left 13, Shakti. I think that is what you missed. Okay. And 19 also you have missed. People are saying. Got it? So please be careful, guys. These are all laddu things. I cannot come and explain what is a prime number now. That you should have learnt in 9th and 10th standard. Okay. So now let's answer this question. The probability that the card was drawn from box 1. So let us say E is the event of getting a non-prime number. And let us say B1 is the event in which it came from box 1. So we want to find P of E1 given that we have a non-prime number. Are you all clear? Are you all clear? So now this is going to be P of B1 intersection E divided by P of E. Are you all clear with that? So shall I Shall I solve it and get the answer now? Everybody? Yup. So I'm going to erase all these stuff because I have the numbers in my mind. So the probability that we are looking at, that it came from box 1, given that we had a non-prime number, is equal to probability I chose box 1 is half. Why half? Because I have two boxes. Choosing box 1 is half, and in that I have to get a non-prime number. So in box 1 I have 30 numbers, and in that 20 are non-prime. So that is going to be my numerator divided by my denominator is going to be half into 20 by 30 plus box 2 also I can get a non-prime. So it is going to be half into 15 by 20. So that will be my answer. Can you guys complete it? Everybody? Can you guys complete it? Very good. Shakti has 3 IDs. Great, man. So Shakti contributes the most likes in our channel. Isn't it? I hope so. You're doing that, Shakti. Okay. Yeah. So guys, B1 is the event in which this non-prime occurs through box 1. Got it? B1 is half. That's correct, man. But we want B1 intersection E, right? I want it to come through box 1. What I want to come through? I want a non-prime to come through from box 1. So probability of choosing box 1 is half, and I want a non-prime number from box 1. A non-prime number from box 1 is going to be 20 by 30 because there are 20 non-prime numbers and overall there are 30 such numbers. Got it? Did you all like it? Everybody? So this is the way you do it. I hope you guys are all able to follow. If anybody has any doubt, please feel free to ask because I would love to clarify your doubts. Is NTA Abhyas enough? So NTA Abhyas has variety of difficulties, Mr. Best. I would recommend you to join a test series. I have shown you the crash course over here. You can check it out when you are free. I will explain to you in detail at the end. So those who are interested in crash course, please wait till the end and I will explain it in detail, answering each and every doubt of yours. Is that okay? So all those who are interested in crash course, stay back so that I will repeat it completely at the end. Okay, great. Hello Kashyap, welcome man. Great, Mr. Best. Now I'll tell you why they are calling you and what are all the features, what are all the benefits that you have. You can hear it from me because that will be perfectly clear and crisp. You will know what you want. Got it? So Albert Einstein is saying, sir, how 20 by 30? You know, Albert Einstein. This is bad, man. I remembered something in my mind. So there's some story you call, right? In Tamil we say, Vidiya Vidiya Ramayanam kettu Kadasila Sita Yaran ketana. Do you guys remember that? So there is an old story which says that a guy was asking someone to tell Ramayana fully. Okay, so that person explains it fully, whole night without drinking water. He explains like how I was explaining this question, and the next day morning the guy was asking, okay, I understood fully Ramayana, but who is Sita? He asked. Got it? So something like that. We completed the entire story. Everything is over. Now Achyut is asking how this 20 by 30 came. Guys, 20 by 30 came because we want non-prime, right? So non-prime means you have 20 non-primes out of 30 numbers. So that is how I got it. Got it? No problem, Achyut. I was just... Exactly. Cam only epic has perfectly summed it up in Hindi. Okay guys, so let's move forward. Let's do the next question. Here we go. Please do it. We have a bombing question now. All of us are trying to carry out an attack, and you have to calculate the minimum number of bombs that must be dropped to ensure that at least 99% chance of completely destroying the enemy target. Exactly. So tell me, what is the minimum number of bombs that I should drop? Because every bomb is expensive, right? You can't create so many bombs. So you just have to calculate it and you have to optimize it. So that is why we are doing this, okay? So please think about it and then let me know what you feel is the right answer. I think we should use Bernoulli's trials. Yes, of course, Pungudi. Shakti, solve the question, man. All your laughter will go. Focus on the question now. Yes. Hello, Vimal Raj. Welcome, man. Very nice to see you, Vimal. I hope you saw the session yesterday. We did KVPY SA. So Anisha got 7. Hi Shrishti Sharma, welcome. Very nice to see you. Albert Einstein says 11. And Vijay Kumar, I will start it next week. Okay, because right now the highest priority is the 12th standard. For 11th standard, guys, I will help you with your KVPY preparation for now. Okay, and once that is over, we will come back to trigonometry, hyperbola, and all the other chapters. Everything we will do it slowly, okay? Mr. Best is saying 11. Uncharted says 4. What do you think is the answer, guys? Come on, Shrishti. What do you feel is the answer? Pramesh, welcome Pramesh. Nihal says 10. Cam only epic. So Cam only epic, you have to give me one answer, okay? So you can't give me 11, 12, 13. So yeah, let's try to solve it. Please listen carefully, guys. So what do we have over here? So we have a 50% chance. So one bomb will have a chance of half, a probability of half striking the target. Is that clear? One bomb will have a probability of half striking the target. Are you all clear, everybody? Very good, perfect. Now, they are saying that at least 2 bombs should be dropped in order to destroy the target completely. So we need at least 2 bombs to be dropped. Are you all clear? So for the target to be destroyed completely, can I say the probability for target to be destroyed completely is equal to 1 minus dropping 0 bomb, dropping 1 bomb. Is that correct? Are you all clear with it? Because if I drop more than 2 bombs, I know for sure it is gonna hit the target and destroy it. So can I say total destruction will happen when I drop at least 2 bombs or more. At least 2 bombs or more can be written like this. Are you all okay? Are you all clear with that? So now let us say there are totally n bombs. So can I say probability T is equal to 1 minus NC0, and none of the bombs are hitting the target. None of the bombs are hitting the target. So I will say what? Half to the power 0 into half to the power n. Minus 1 bomb is hitting the target, NC1 into half to the power n minus 1. Are you all clear with it? Did you all like it, everybody? So let me repeat it carefully. So at least 2 bombs should hit the target to destroy it. How many bombs are we dropping? We are dropping n bombs. What is n? That is the question. I have to find it out. Got it? So out of n bombs, at least 2 has to go and hit the target. Only then it is destroyed. Got it? So at least 2 hitting the target can be written as 1 minus nothing hitting the target and minus 1 hitting the target. Because nothing hitting the target will not do anything because target is not destroyed. 1 hitting the target will also not do anything because target is not destroyed. Are you all clear? Everybody? So now I can easily write it. This is what? 99%. So this is 0.99 is equal to 1 minus, this will be 1 by 2 power n minus n by 2 power n. Now you solve it and get the answer. Everybody. So I'll have n plus 1 by 2 power n is equal to 0.01. Are you all clear? So can you guys figure out what is the value? We need it to be at least 99%, right? Yes? Are you all getting it? So this should be greater than equal to 0.99. So you guys can solve it like that and then find the value. Please do it. The value will be possible for n equal to 11. So n equal to 11 is the answer. I hope you guys got it. Can you all please try it out? Everybody clear with this? Did you all like it? That formula is from binomial distribution. No man, it is from Bernoulli's trials. Okay. So I will explain it to you, Achyut. So we have n bombs, Achyut. From that, I want none of the bombs to hit the target. So NC 0 and none of them hit the target. So NC 0 half to the power 0. All of them miss the target. So into half to the power n. So this is the probability that none of the bombs will hit the target. Got it? Now if I want one bomb to hit the target, so from n bombs, I will first choose that one bomb and I will make it hit the target. That is half, because half is the probability of hitting the target. And the remaining n minus 1 bombs should not hit the target. Did you understand? So this is probability of 1 hitting the target, probability of 0 hitting the target. Both these cases I am removing because I want 2 bombs to hit the target. Are you all clear? Everybody? It is good, Pramesh, but please build on top of it because 30 to 35 question means it is 120 marks. With 120 marks, you might be around 85, 80 percentile. So you need more. I feel you should push for 50 questions. Got it? So aim for that. Everybody clear with this? So shall I move forward? Anybody has a doubt? What about Shrishti? Shrishti, are you getting it? Everybody is able to follow? Susovan Banerjee is absolutely right. Very good, Susovan. No doubts. So shall we proceed, guys? Are you all okay with it? Yup. Very good. Perfect. So let us move forward now. Let's go to the next question. So here we go. Please solve it, guys. This is the next question which I have for you. Everybody please try to solve it and let me know if you have any doubt so that I can clarify it for you. So Albert Einstein only from Tattva, if you are reading, it is not enough. You need to solve some questions as well. So I would say start off with NCERT, do Tattva, solve some questions, then you will get better. Hi Sriram, welcome man, very nice to see you. Yes, from Cengage is good. Pramesh, don't worry, this session is very helpful for you, Pramesh, because it will expose to you what are all the important chapters. So once you know that, you can build on it, okay? Gurunathan, I'm not very sure, man. Please check it online. Shastra, usually you should have a good CBSE score. I think if you have a good CBSE score, I think you should be good enough for Shastra. Hello Yash Patel, welcome man. So we have the answers coming from Cam Only Epic and we have answers coming from Anisha as well. So both of them are saying it is 17 by 8. Are you guys sure about it? What about the others? Albert Einstein is also saying D. Tanka Kenal is also saying D. Rajashekar Reddy, welcome man, very nice to see you. Hello. Harshavardhini is also here. Welcome Harshavardhini. So guys, everybody says that the answer is option D, and you know what? It is correct. Because the answer is option D, and guys, it is from JEE 2020. So everybody should be aware of these questions. So if you have any doubt, please pay attention, give your fullest focus, and still after I solve, if you have any queries, any lingering doubt, let me know. Okay, so here we go. In a workshop there are 5 machines. So there are 5 machines and they work, any one of them to be out of service. Out of service will be 1 by 4 and properly working is 3 by 4. Got it? And they are saying if the probability that at most 2 machines will be out of service on the same day, at most 2 only can be out of service, then the probability of that is 3 by 4 whole cube into k. Then what is the value of k? At most 2 being out of service means what? Either 0 will be out of service, 1 will be out of service, or 2 will be out of service. Exactly, Shriram. Exactly. Very good, Supriyo Chaudhary. That's awesome. So, guys, what does at most mean? At most mean maximum 2 can be out of service. So, it can be 0, it can be 1, or it can be 2. So, when I say or, I will add. I will add. So, what is the probability that they will be out of service? That is equal to what? 0 will be out of service what? Out of 5 machines, 0 is out of service. So that means 1 by 4 to the power 0, 3 by 4 to the power 5 plus 1 will be out of service plus 2 will be out of service. Are you all clear with it? Are you all clear with it? Everybody? Yes. Did you all understand what I wrote here? Are you all clear with it? Adhiga Pachama. That is the meaning of at most. Shakti, I think so. Even my Tamil is bad. But at the maximum it can be 2. Got it? So this probability, Shakti, is given as 3 by 4 whole cube into k. Is that correct? So that is equal to how much? I can take 3 by 4 whole cube common. Because 3 by 4, here is power 5, here is power 4, here is power 3. So I can take it common. So it will be 3 by 4 whole square in the second term. The first term. Second term you will have 3 by 4 into 5. And then you will have by 4 as well. Plus last term you will have 10 into 1 by 16. So now add it all up, you will get the answer. So 3 by 4 whole cube, 3 by 4 whole cube will get cancelled. So I will get a very nice value now. What will I get? I'll get 9 by 16 plus 15 by 16 plus 10 by 16. So that will be 34 by 16, which is 17 by 8. And do I have a 17 by 8 in the option? Yes, my k is equal to 17 by 8. Was it difficult? Are you all able to understand it, guys? Very good. Exactly. Albert Einstein, that's exactly what I want to say. If you practice many questions, you will naturally get better, and there's a very high chance that you might clear your probability very easily. So that is why my advice to all those who find probability difficult, Albert Einstein, then we have Pramesh, don't stress over it because it is doable. You have to act on it very fast. Solve NCRT, solve Cengage, solve Tattva, and by then you will be completely in command of the chapter. Okay? Very good, Shakti. That's awesome, man. I'm so happy for you. So let us move forward, guys. All the solutions will be attached. I will show you guys the session PDF once the class is over. Okay? Perfect. So let us move forward. Here we go. Please do it. How can we understand which model we should use in PNC and which you should use in probability? They are mostly the same, Sri Ram. Only thing is, in probability you have to divide by the sample space, but in permutation you don't worry about that. In permutation and combination you worry only about the number of ways of doing something. I don't care about the sample space. Understood? I hope that is what you asked. If you want to ask something else, then be more clear, be more specific. Okay? Yes, scam only epic, no problem, man. Take care. We will meet in the next one. Okay? So guys, are you all awake? What are you guys doing? Can you all give me a thumbs up if you're all here? I want to see some action in the chat. Which chapters do you feel can be left by a JEE or KVPY SX aspirant? So for mains, I would say don't leave anything, man. If you are good, I would say don't miss out on anything. But if you really want to go for something, then leave out the chapters omitted by CBSE. If you really want to leave something, then you can go for the chapters left out by CBSE. That is my suggestion. But that also if you are really pressed for it. Okay. Good, good. Very good, Ayman. Ayman is still here. How to do a particular problem. So, Sriram, that basically comes from solving a lot of questions, man. So, that is why I say all my topper students to solve a variety of questions. So, you know when to use what approach. So, I know clearly. So, if I look at this question now, this question, pakka I know, it's based on simple Venn diagram application in probability. So I know very clearly that it's a simple Venn diagram application in probability. And I'm sure you guys can understand that. So it comes from practice. So just by reading the question, when you practice a lot, you will be able to tell, okay, this is from Venn diagram, this is independent events, this is conditional probability, this is Bayes theorem, this is Bernoulli's trials, this is random variable. Like that, you will be able to predict it very fast. Are you clear? Okay, so let's try to solve this. Let A and B be two events such that probability that exactly one of them occurs is 2 by 5. Exactly one of them occurs means what? Can you guys help me? So let us say this is the Venn diagram. Let's say this is your universal set, this is your A, this is your B. Exactly one of them occurs means, do you all agree it is this region? Yeah? Everybody? So exactly A means P of A minus P of A intersection B. Exactly B means P of B minus P of B intersection A is equal to 2 by 5. Are you all clear with that? And the probability that A or B occurs is 1 by 2. So probability A or B means, or means union. Or means union. So that is equal to half. So now from here we know that these three will be equal to P of A union B. Because we know P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. So this is P of A union B, which is equal to half. So I can say half minus P of A intersection B is equal to 2 by 5. So what is P of A intersection B? P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5, which will be equal to 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is the answer. And do we have that in the option? We do have it. Are you all clear with it? Uncharted is right, absolutely. Saurav Jha is also right. Very good, you guys are awesome. Are you all clear with it? Shriram, Shakti, Anisha? Yes, Anisha, very Low attendance. I'm not too sure why. Very good, very good. Brilliant. That's awesome, Anisha. So shall we move forward, guys? Yes, 1 by 10 is the answer, songs and trance. That's absolutely correct. So shall we move ahead? Let's go to the next one. This is the next question that I have for you. Please try it out. So if there are 10 balls to be placed in 4 distinct boxes at random, then the probability that 2 of these boxes contain exactly 2 and 3 balls. It's a very nice question, guys. This is what I would say is a slightly good question which can come in your JEE Mains. So you will have to be ready for it. So please try to give it your best and then I will explain it. Okay, so I will explain it in a way that everybody will follow. But before that, I want to see how your mind thinks. So Shakti, I'll explain it. So what they are saying is you have 10 balls which are different and you have to place them in 4 boxes. So let's say you have 1 box, 2 box, 3 box and 4 box. So you have to place them in 4 boxes in however way, how much ever you want to put in 1 box, you can put it. However you want to fill it, you can fill it. It's up to you. Got it? They're saying find the probability that 2 of these boxes will exactly contain 2 and 3 balls. That means one of the box will contain 2, one box will contain 3, pakka. But which box, I don't know. But 2 of the boxes out of the 4 will contain exactly 2, exactly 3 balls. Did you all understand that? That is what they have given in the question. Now you all try to solve it. Okay. Anisha says B. Albert Einstein says B. Saurav says B. Uncharted says B. Shakti has also said B. Great. You guys are all on fire. What about the others? Are you all trying it out? Tanka Kenal, Alexander Prasad. Very good, Alexander. That's absolutely right. Perfect. Yes. It will be 4 to the power 10, Albert Einstein. Sadaf Hashmi. Very good, Sadaf. Because that is absolutely correct. Good job. So guys, the answer for this question is nothing but 4 to the power 10 sample space. Albert Einstein. Okay, that's not 2 to the power 10. I hope you got it. The answer is, like you guys have said, it's option B. Now let me show you how it is done. Please listen carefully. So first of all, I have to fill 2 and 3 balls, right? So what I'll do is I will choose these 5 balls from 10. I will choose these 5 balls from 10 and I will choose 2 balls from 5 and put it in this box, and the remaining 3 balls I'll put in the other box. So wait, let me explain it from step by step. I think that's better. So guys, do you all understand that there are 4 boxes? Do you all understand there are 4 boxes? First step. Next step is I want to choose 2 boxes out of these 4. So out of 4 boxes, I choose 2 boxes, and in those 2 boxes, I have to fill 5 balls. So I will choose 5 balls from the 10 balls, and from those 5 balls, I will split it as 2 and 3. I will split those 5 balls as 2 and 3 balls, which is nothing but 5C2. And now I have 2 balls one side, I have 3 balls another side. In how many ways can I fill in these 2 boxes? I can fill it in 2 ways. Why? Because I can keep 2 balls here, 3 balls here, or I can keep 3 balls here, 2 balls here. Because I'm just choosing the boxes, right? I didn't fill number of balls. So the number of balls which can be filled can be done in 2 ways. Are you all clear with that? Very good, Achyut. That's absolutely right. Are you all following me? Kirito, Uncharted, Shakti, Sadaf, Anisha, everybody? because it's a very nice question, guys. Very good, Shreya. That's awesome. Now, after this, what about the remaining 5 balls? The remaining 5 balls, because I've chosen only 10, right? From 10, I have chosen only 5. So the remaining 5 balls, I will distribute it in either this or that. So every ball in this 5 will have 2 choices. So answer will be into 2 power 5. Did you get it? So that is my answer. You calculate it, you will get the answer. Divided by 4 to the power 10. Did you all like it? Why 4 to the power 10? Because 10 balls in 4 boxes can be filled in 4 to the power 10 ways. Why 4 to the power 10? Because one ball can be filled in 4 boxes. Next ball, 4 boxes. Next ball, 4 boxes. For every ball, I have 4 choices. So totally for 10 balls, I have 4 to the power 10 choices. Did you like it? Yes? Exactly, Shakti. I hope you are enjoying it. I hope you are learning great stuff. If you all have understood it, please let me know in the chat so that we can move forward, guys. Are you all clear with it? What about Uashri? What about Shrishti? Very good, Alexander. That is awesome, man. Brilliant job. Sadaf has got it. Yes. I will move aside so that you guys can take a picture of it and go through it later on. If you have any doubts, please reach out to my Instagram ID. I will try to help you out with the explanation. Got it? So shall we move forward? So let us proceed, guys, to the next one. Over here, please do it. Everybody try to complete it and then we will discuss it together. Perfect. C, Shreya is saying C, Saurav is saying C, Shakti is also saying C. So everybody, are you sure? Let's check it. So we have a die which is thrown 2 times and the sum of the scores appearing on the die is observed to be a multiple of 4. So we know the sum of the dice can be starting from 2. The sum of the numbers can be starting from 2 up to 12. Isn't that correct? This is the lowest sum. This is the highest sum. Are you all clear? So we know that we have a multiple of 4 to be the sum. So the multiple of 4 in between 2 to 12 is 4, 8 and 12. So how will I get 4? I will get 4 with 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. How will I get 8? I will get 8 with 4, 4, 2, 6, 6, 2, and we have 3, 5, 5, 3. Yeah? How will I get 12? I'll get 6, 6. So these are the various observations, and in that I want to see if 4 has appeared at least once. So 4 appearing at least once is only once. So it is 1 by how many cases? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 1 by 9, which is option D. I hope you guys got it. Good question. Very good question. But easy question. Very good, Albert Einstein. That's absolutely correct. Yes, Shriram. Shriram, here you can do it directly because I did not use conditional probability. I just went for it directly. Because I took the sample space itself as a multiple of 4. Did you understand, Shriram? This is another way of solving it. What you said is also correct. You can do conditional probability. But what I did here was I directly went for multiple of 4 to be the sample space. You got it? I wrote only the multiple of 4, right? The sum being the multiple of 4. Only that I wrote. So that becomes my new sample space. So that is another way of handling your conditional probability. Got it? Cool. So guys, I hope you all liked it. Shall we proceed? Are you all ready for the next one? So yeah, let's try to solve one more question. Please do it. Here we go. This is the next question for you. This is mains level, right? Holy Bible, it's a mains question. So if this is not mains level, then I don't know what will be. Got it? So it is a JEE Mains question, man. This is a previous year question discussion session. Okay. I'm not familiar with this. Shreya, don't worry. It is just based on your logic. Don't worry about knowing anything in probability because it has got nothing to do with probability as far as I know. So try to do it just by reading the question. Hello, Saurav. No, man, of course not. What happened to you? Silly mistake you said. I hope you have got it now. Let me know what do you think is the answer for this question, Saurav. Try to take some time and do it. Everybody. Anisha says C. What about others? Is it half gain, 1/4 loss, 1/2 loss, or 2 gain? You guys have to think. Right now, if you ask me, Albert Einstein, I would say definitely online. Right now, this year and maybe next year also, it might be online, which is a better and effective way to study because of safety reasons, because of your comfort and the quality of teaching that you get in online. So that flexibility makes it the clear winner. Okay. Shreya says A. Okay, we will check it, Shreya. Anisha says C. Anisha, C is not 1/2 gain. C is 1/2 loss. What is your answer? Check it and tell me correctly. Very good, Shriram. Shriram is absolutely right. Saurav, please check it. Giridhar Anil Kumar, welcome, man. What is your answer? Holy Bible, we are trying to do directly questions. This is a sprint session. In sprint session, we will tackle questions only. Got it? So guys, the answer is option C. You guys were right. So brilliant job there. Very good. Now I'll tell you how to solve it. So what is the probability of throwing a doublet? How many doublets are there? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So 6 doublets out of 36. So probability of throwing a doublet is 1/6. Then probability that the result is sum of 9. Sum of 9, how can I get? I can get 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. So this is nothing but 4 out of 36, which is 1/9. Are you all clear? And the last one is any other outcome. So we have how many outcomes here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 outcomes. How many outcomes we have here? 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10 outcome. So this will be 26/36. Are you all clear with that, everybody? Because out of 36, 10 outcomes are gone here and here. So remaining will be 26. So now we got all the individual probabilities. Now we can easily find it out. So all the individual probabilities are what? 1/6, 1/9 and 26/36. 1/6, 1/9 and 26/36. So these are the respective probabilities. So this gets 15 rupees, this gets 12 rupees and this gets -6. So what is the effective probability? It will be 15 into 1/6 plus 9 into 1/12. 12 into 1/9 minus 6 into 26/36. So can you guys solve it and tell me? So this will be 5, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s, and this will be 6 into 6, 2, 13. So I think that should be it. You can solve it and tell me the answer. Please do it, guys, everybody. So we'll have 15, 23, 23 by 6 minus 13 by 2. So you'll have how much? 46 minus 52 by 12. So it's minus 6 by 12, which is minus half. Minus half is the loss. That's it. Are you all clear? Very good, Giridhar. That's awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hi, Harishankar. Welcome, man. Very, very good evening. So did you all enjoy this question? How many of you liked it? Did you all enjoy it? Exactly, Shriram. Did you like it, Shreya? Did you understand it now? Albert Einstein, very good. Anisha was awesome. Harshavardhini, did you get it? Somewhat understood. So, Shreya, what we are doing here now, Shreya? I am trying to conduct and find out the respective probability of throwing a doublet. That I hope you understood. See, throwing a doublet means what? Doublet means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So you have 6 possibilities out of 36. So 6 out of 36 is what I wrote. Got it? That's the first probability. The second one, Shreya, you have to get a sum of 9. Sum of 9 means what? You have 2 dice. The sum of each of the observation added up should give you 9. So what are the various possibilities? 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 3, 5, 4. So 4 observations are there, right? So this comes because of 4 by 36. So that is the second one. Now they are saying loses 6 for any other outcome. What is any other outcome? 6 plus 4 is 10. So apart from these 10 outcomes, whatever comes, I will get a loss of 6 rupees. What are the outcomes apart from the 6 and 4? There are 26 outcomes, right? Because out of 36, I am removing 10. So I am left out with 26. Did you understand it now? Are you all clear? And after that, it is pretty simple. After that, I am just multiplying with its respective amount that we get, that we win. Okay, that's about it. So yeah, with that we will conclude, guys, because I have something very important to show you. You can take the other questions as homework and let me know the answers below. Okay, so there are a few homework questions. You guys can try to tackle them. Please do it and I will get back to you in the next class whether you got it correct or not. So guys, this is something very important. So many of you said you will stay back and you will ask me questions. So let me know any doubts you have regarding the crash course, because I want to spend some time with you explaining what are the features of it. Okay. So guys, if you are interested to know the features, please do listen. Firstly, the crash course will cover all the important chapters of JEE Mains in 45 live lectures. And apart from that, you have doubt solving app which will be free of cost offered to you from the morning 8 o'clock till night 11 p.m. So whenever you have a doubt, all you need to do is take a photo of it and send it to the doubt app. They will solve it and get it back to you. So that is a feature which is available as part of the crash course. And then you also have 10 full tests, 10 part tests, which will all be graded. You will be given your performance report as compared to others. Yes, Shreya, we have crash courses running in Hindi as well as English. Got it? So you will be given English batches if you want English. So this is very important, because if you saw my strategy video, I told you that in the end of your preparation, full tests are very important. Full tests will tell you which area you are lagging, which area you are good, all that will be covered. Now the best part is you are getting this crash course for a price of 8,000 for the next 5 months. Jan, Feb, March, April, May. For 5 months you are getting this crash course for a price of 8,000 if you use this coupon code. Now I'll show you how it is done. I will come back to your questions in a short while, but before that, let me show you some of the features so that you guys understand how to use it. So guys, if you click on the link which is shared on the screen, yes, you will be taken here. So this is the page you will come to when you click on the link. So what you have to do is you have to say buy now, and then you say SJCC, and when you say apply, you will see that the price becomes 8,000. So that is how you purchase it. And our regular sessions, I wanted to show you some of my videos, regular sessions in Vedantu. So this is how the regular sessions are. As you can see over here, I am
Last
teaching
30 seconds, people. You just have a minute left, half a minute
left. So there will
left.
be a
Okay.
timer running, and you have to
Shivani
click on the
Selvam,
options A,
absolutely
B, C,
right,
D,
Shivani.
whichever
Very good.
you feel is correct.
Last
So
15 seconds,
Vedantu's
people.
platform
Your time is
unlike
about to
your
run
Zoom
out. So
or
please speak
your
quick,
Google
everybody.
Meet. It is a
Shivangi
completely
is
tech
also right.
platform
Very good,
engaged
Shivangi.
to make you guys
Last
be
5
productive
seconds
and
and
more
your
efficient.
time ends in 5.
So this is my quiz, and this is another class of mine where I'm explaining a
And I will
very interesting
subtract one.
concept.
So this is what I'll be left out.
I'm sure you guys
So
must
what do I
heard
have?
of
I
it
have
if you're
integral
preparing
0
for
to
JEE
1
Mains.
dx
So this is how
divided
our
by
classes are. You can
square
see that
root
my
of
students are
1
chatting with me.
minus x minus
So
1 the whole
students talk to
square.
me continuously. I
Okay.
keep watching the chat. I
1
ask them
minus
whether
x
they
minus 1
understood,
the whole square. Are
and
you guys
they
able
say
to
yes
solve
sir,
it?
we can move forward, and then
Yeah.
I proceed.
So what will this
that
be?
is
This
how
will
our
be
regular
equal to
sessions are, and you can see that
sine
I write
inverse of
clearly
x minus 1
whatever
by
is
a.
needed
But a is
for
1, so it will be
understanding the
sine inverse of
concept.
x minus 1
So this is how
from
the
0
regular
to 1,
sessions at
which you
Vedantu
guys
take
can
place.
solve.
So if you
Okay.
guys are interested,
Pretty easy
do
after
click
this.
on the link right away, because if you do
How
it
did
right now,
n
you'll
go?
have 5
1 by
minutes
n is
of time.
dx, man.
And I
That's
showed
what
you
I
how to use
told.
it, right? So you basically
When you
come to this
convert the
slide,
summation, right? 1
and
by
when
n
you
will
click on the
become
link,
dx.
you
1 by
say
n is
buy
the
now,
gap.
you apply the coupon code,
It's a width.
and then
So
say
that
apply,
becomes dx.
and then you go for it. You can pay
Getting
with
it?
credit
So
card,
answer is pi by 2.
debit
Yes.
card,
Anshuman,
EMI,
you're right.
whichever
That's
option
correct,
you feel.
Anshuman.
The features
So
of
when
this
you put
course are
1,
you will have
you will
20
get
tests.
0 minus of minus pi by 2, which will be pi by 2.
You
guys.
have 20
so Anshuman,
tests,
pi by
and
2 is the
then you
correct
also
answer.
have
I hope you guys have
live
understood. All of
sessions,
you?
doubt solving
Yeah,
by experts.
very good, guys. So
You
shall we
have
move to the next
45
question?
sessions. Each
Yeah.
session is going to
If
be
you have
of
any doubt, let me know.
1.5
Whatever
hours
doubt
to
or
2
questions
hours.
you have,
Every
do
Monday
let
you
me
have
know.
a
I'll help you
class
out.
starting. So
Otherwise,
today
we'll
you
move
have a
forward.
session.
We'll move forward to the next
Today
one.
is the first day of
Shall
the
we?
crash course. So if
Good.
you are interested, you
So
can
let us
join
try
it
to
right
solve
away.
the next question.
And you
Try
also
to
get
do
the
it.
recording. So even if you are sick and if you miss out any of the class, you will get these recordings. Who has designed the course? The course was designed by Anand Prakash Sir. He is the co-founder of Vedantu. He has produced All India ranks 1, 7, 41, 38. He is an expert in producing toppers. He knows what are the most important topics, important areas to focus on in the last phase of your preparation. So definitely you can get the maximum benefit out of it, and all of it for a price of 8,000 seems very fair in my opinion. These are our results. You see 6 in top 500, 14 in top 1000. This is your JEE Advanced rank. And then we have JEE Advanced, we have 43rd rank All India to be our best rank. And lots of testimonials, you guys can read about it later on. So I hope you got the point. I hope you all are clear. Now I'll answer your questions. Uncharted, please tell me what
we are
is your
doing
doubt.
definite integrals. This is nothing but summation of
What is your doubt? Will it be taught
series
in English, Shreya? I hope
using
I have
definite
answered your
integrals.
doubt. Uncharted was asking 11th standard students, will it be useful? 11th standard students, I
Welcome,
would
man.
recommend you going for, you should go for the revision batches, Uncharted.
everyone in
If there
KVP
are any
essay batch is
revision
talking
batches.
about you. You have
If you
become a
join
hero now.
Vedantu, they will give you recordings of all the lectures. If you are okay with
I
that,
think
you can
KVP
go for it.
essay, you got
Otherwise,
full,
directly
right?
join 12th.
Did you get full marks?
Because even if you join 12th, in Vedantu, we do something called as revision.
Okay, you got very high score.
Which will
people are
make sure you are comfortable
People
with
are
the
just
transition from 11th to 12th.
blown away.
Okay. Self-study is
Good.
effective, yes.
Who is
For
that
KVP,
man?
that
It is
is
you
the
only,
best
right?
option.
Anand Prakash, Pulkit
Albert
Jain.
Einstein.
You only came,
So
right?
guys, I hope
Today
all
also
of your
you came, I
doubts are
think.
clear. If you have anything to ask, you can let me know.
You came to the class.
Some background sound is coming. I'm not too sure.
I don't know whether it was you or someone. But yeah, people are learning
Okay.
your tricks and trade.
So yeah, with that we will conclude our session. If you
Some
liked
other
it,
guy
do
came in the
give a
name
like,
of
and if you
Anand
enjoyed
Prakash,
the video
Pulkit
and if you're
Jain.
new to this channel, do subscribe so that we will keep meeting.
I thought it was
often.
you.
So guys, with that, I'll
Either you
conclude
or
all the
Anshuman.
very
Someone
best.
did it,
Do
I
well
think.
in life. Do well in your exams. I
don't
hope
know.
to see you
You
soon
might have
again.
taught the trick to your best friend.
So take care. Bye bye. See you in the next one.
User IDs, yeah. Okay, guys, do it fast.